Hello everybody, welcome to my video. This is K. Pritish Kumar studying first B.Ed English, Sakti Institute of Teacher Education and Research, Palakanuthu, Vattanjatram, Dindigul district. Today we are going to see childhood and growing up. Unit 4. Unit name is Socializing Agencies of Child Development. And my topic is types of socialization. Next we are going to see what is socialization. According to Greek philosopher Aristotle said, man is a social animal. In nature, a newborn baby is not social. It is an organism and it learns behavior in accordance with the norms and expectations of the society. A children socialized from mother, playgroup members, school peers, teachers, and who are all interacting to children with different situations. The term socialization refers it is a process of interaction. A growing individual learns customs, attitudes, values, and beliefs of the social group into which he has been born. Socialization transmits its culture from generation to generation. It can be viewed as the internalization of social norms. Some definitions about socialization. There are several definitions. The important definitions are as follows. First one, according to Horton and Hunt, says it is a comprehensive process through which one internalizes the norms of his groups and distinct self emerges unique to the individual. The second one is Lundberg. Horton and Hunt says comprehensive process. Lundberg says complex process of interaction, which the individual learns habits, skills that are necessary for his participation in social groups. The third definition is Green. Says this is a process by which child acquires a cultural content along with selfhood and personality. Important features of socialization. The first one is it inculcates a basic discipline. The second one is control the behavior unconsciously through the society, which means in the society a person controls his behavior according to the society. Socialization is a continuous process. There are four factors of this process of learning. They are imitation, suggestion, third one is identification, fourth one use of language. Imitation, copying from others, use of language. The child learns the language of others. Socialization takes place through two processes, formal and informal process. Formal process, it is a direct instruction and education in schools. Next we are going to see what are the types of socialization. The first one is primary socialization, second one secondary socialization, third one adult socialization, fourth one anticipatory socialization, fifth one resocialization. In these slides we are going to see explanation of these types. First one, primary socialization. Primary socialization. This socialization happened during the infant years of the child. In these years, a child learns language, cognitive skills, etc. It is also an informal process. The second one is secondary socialization. This takes place outside of the family. In this socialization, a child learns information from his peers and schools. The third one is adult socialization. This socialization teaches the people to play a different social roles in the society, like employee, father, mother, son or daughter, etc. The fourth one is anticipatory socialization. Anticipatory socialization means which individuals learn the culture of the group with the anticipation of joining the group. For example, a person who stay and work in USA, that person learns the culture and prepare for their new roles to live in USA. The last one is resocialization. It is a process of discarding formal behavioral patterns and accepting new ones as a part of transition in one's life. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.